Welcome back to MTH Health. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: bikini line maintenance. If you want to keep your bikini line flawless between waxing sessions, you've clicked on the right video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips. First things first, why is bikini line maintenance important? Regular upkeep can help prevent irritation, ingrown hairs, and unsightly stubble. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So, let's discuss some effective tips to keep that bikini line smooth and beautiful. Tip number 1. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliating the bikini area helps to remove dead skin cells and prevents ingrown hairs. You can use a loofah or a gentle scrub 2-3 times a week. Remember to be gentle. You don't want to irritate your skin. Look for scrubs with natural ingredients like sugar or salt, and avoid any harsh chemicals. Next up is moisturizing. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to maintaining a smooth bikini line. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer after exfoliating. Look for products with ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil to soothe and hydrate your skin. Avoid any lotions with strong fragrances, as they can lead to irritation. Now, let's talk about hair trimming. If you're between waxing sessions, consider trimming the hair in the bikini area. Use scissors or a trimmer designed for sensitive areas to keep things neat. This can help reduce the appearance of stubble and maintain that clean look. Tip number 4 is all about avoiding irritation. After waxing, try to wear loose-fitting underwear and avoid tight clothing for a couple of days. This will help your skin breathe and prevent friction. If you do experience irritation, a cold compress can work wonders to soothe the area. And lastly, maintain a regular waxing schedule. Most people find they need a touch-up every 4-6 weeks. Regular waxing helps to reduce hair thickness over time, making maintenance easier. If you're unsure of how often to schedule your appointments, consult with your esthetician for personalized advice. So there you have it. Simple tips to keep your bikini line smooth between waxing sessions. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to MTH Health for more great content, and let us know in the comments your favorite bikini line